floor is going in today, which means everything in here has to come out. Oh, that's awesome. Yes, let's just skip right to it now. I always wanted to do this. Okay, I'm going to leave this and work with it because I'm going to lay the front before the back, but I'm going to do one piece. So the first thing I have to do is sweep and sand. Oh, you can't see. I thought it was. I have to sweep this all out, and then I have to sand the floor so it's flat. And I have to take my X-Acto knife and go around the sides just to get all the big pieces of that foam insulation. Just kind of make a straight line with it. So that's what I'm going to do. On with it. I have cleaned up the edges. Over there. And now I'm going to start sanding. So let's see. I am sanded. Now I have to shop vac. So get all the dust out. All right. I have shop vac. Echo, echo, echo. It is time for me to cut. I'm just going to cut one sheet. I'm going to do a whole bunch of measuring in my paper. And then we'll see, right? We shall see. Measuring. It's like 67 across. Let's see. I'm going to cut this 12 feet. Gives me some wiggle room. So, we'll see how that goes. Do it. Okay, this flooring is super duper heavy, and I am taking a breaky break. I may just organize and set everything up for tomorrow and lay this tomorrow because it's going to be nice out for the next few days, and I have to get this down before it starts getting cold. Because if I try to glue it down or whatever, you know how the cold gets with chemicals, whatever. But that's what I'm going to do, I think. We'll see if I get another cup of coffee in me and a breaky break, I might come back and do it. Okay. I'm just ready for a break. I have my flooring, have my measurements, and I got this piece at Home Depot in the kind of wrapped up, already prepped aisle, and I paid under $50 for it, and it's exactly the right length, a little bit longer, so I'm not worried about that right now. But I have to cut the width, and so I'm going to measure it, although I have it pushed right up to the wall right now, rolled, and I have it taped up. So I figured the easiest way, since, this is the greatest invention that I found, this stuff. You don't have to be right. You just need trim. That's all there is. And you just put the trim around, wherever it's not perfect. But everything's pretty much going to be covered with like benches or seating, or I'm going to figure it out, or a beadboard, that beachy looking stuff that's on the ceiling. That's what I'm going with. And this is my weapon of choice. I didn't almost just drop that. And it's not plugged in anyway yet. Don't worry. Don't worry about me, folks. Alright, so I'm just gonna cut it. You know? It seems like the easiest thing. Just make sure it's rolled up, you know, it's all lined up. The roll is all lined up. And then I'm just gonna cut it slightly wide. And then, which I could probably leave it. Oh yeah, it's so smart. So smart. I'm gonna leave it like this and just cut it a little further than where it is here. And then that should give me the extra that I need. And then I'm gonna lay it out. I'm gonna do this front section first. Then I'm gonna move the furniture because I've already lifted out stuff and put it back in, and I'm just not doing that again. So I'm gonna do the front, then move the furniture, then roll it down the back. Then I'm gonna do the cuts to fit it around everything and line it up. Ready? All right. Very exciting. Nobody should listen to me, by the way. Do not do as I do. All right, so we got everything pushed up, stuck. I think I'm gonna go here. That gives me plenty of extra wiggle room right here. All right, this ought to be interesting. Get a good view. Let's put you right on it. This could be some good, this ought to be interesting. You're welcome. All right. Mother Mary, comfort me. All right. Should be quick and sick, right? Right? Because this comes out further here. And you do it. Going right here. Extra, extra, right? Read all about it. I'm going to go 2 extra. I don't want a whole lot of work. That looks good. Gotta get that. I'm just gonna roll it. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Stuff is so heavy. See how it goes now. Plug. That was easy. I'm rolling out the brown carpet for you. Ooh. This is gonna be good for all my buddies who want to bring their doggies. Very exciting. All right, hold. I'll have it laid. I just have to do my cuts slowly and do my dry fit and see how it goes. Get back to you. So I have the initial part of the floor down. I'm gonna let it sit overnight. I didn't glue anything, but I think it looks pretty good. It's hard to get it on frame, but like this. So, like I said, the sides are going to be covered. There's going to be bench seat here, bench seat here. So those will be kind of boxed in with cushions for seating. And then a table that folds kind of away here for like playing games or being on your laptop or whatever. And then I got a piece of beadboard that I'm going to put over this just to hide the sink stuff. And I have some extra vinyl. I'm just going to wrap that bottom part with the vinyl and put some vinyl inside of that, and then put a little thing that closes. And this is where the it's not captain seat, it's like a seat that turns into a twin bed, and it's going to sit, but then it's going to go out to a twin. So that'll be cool. I'm going to fly home with my broom now. Yeah, done for now. Gotta clean up.